Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we got an unboxing on the channel. That's going to be my first Z Flip, so I'm really anxious to see what it is. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. This is my first Flip series device. If you guys have been following my channel for a very long time, I've covered all Galaxy Z Folds, and for this year I really wanted to check out a Z Flip since they actually made some changes, unlike the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, which made very minor changes. But this one has a few changes that I do want to check out at basically half the price with the same amount of storage with the same processor at all. If you guys want to know about the specs, I will have the specs linked down below, or I will have it showing. And if you guys want to pick one up, I do have an affiliate link that will help you get a discount on it if you use that affiliate link. But as far as the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, I picked this up from Samsung. I did trade in my Z Fold 4, so I do want to check this out first. I still have my Z Fold 4, but I want to try something different this year, and it seems like for some reason Samsung trade-in, they're valuing the Z Flips at the same price as the Fold. So I really want to see why people go with the Flips. And do I need, okay, so I don't need to have anything, but if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. I was just about to use my knife, but it seemed like it has the pull tabs here, so I don't have to do that. So I did do a pre-order, and I used my, I think I had a $50 bonus that I applied for the regular Galaxy Watch 6. So if you guys want to see that, it's not the classic. I got the Galaxy Watch 6. But as far as the packaging and all that stuff, it's just basically telling you what's inside the box. But we will be able to see it as soon as we unbox it. So here we go. I'm going to tell you guys what's inside the box, what I got, what color it is. You guys will probably see it in the video. But as far as what you get in the box, you get a Type-C charging cable, and you have a SIM ejection tool right up top, and that's about it when it comes to that. All right, and as far as the phone itself, put that to the side. That's what you get right here, and that's all you get in the box. And we have our Z Flip 5 here, 512 gigabytes, and I did actually pick the color that we'll be showing in a few seconds. Let's see how you unravel this here. So you pop that open. Here we go. Check this out, guys. Alright, so looks like we have some type of information there, but this is the unlock model and does actually show that to the side. So this will be my first Flip. This is pretty cool. Nice weight to it. It's definitely more heavier than I thought. And you have a new and improved screen up top here in the front. Type-C over here. No headphone jack. And now when you take your selfies, you can actually flip that around, so you will be using the camera that is mostly dedicated for the rear. But as you can see, Samsung logo right there. Really looking forward to trying this out. So let's just power this on. It looks like you have the fingerprint scanner. Is that the fingerprint scanner on the side? It could be, because it's very similar to the Z Flip. I mean the Z Fold. I do have my Fold still here, right here. This is the Fold 4. If you guys are curious to see, yes, I still have it. Definitely a cool device. And if you guys are coming from an iPhone, that you guys are curious about what it's like, this is compared to the iPhone size wise. Very slim, a little bit taller by a hair. But here we go, guys, the Z Flip 5. Now, first impressions, I could definitely see that this screen is really narrow, and as you can see, my it's really hard to really get that there, but here we go right here. But this screen is very narrow. It does remind me of when I had the Sony Xperia phones, which had a real narrow screen, but it was 4K screen right here. This one, I will have the specs down below if you guys are curious, but really cool. checking out all the sides and all that stuff. SIM ejection is on the top left. This is a nice little fingerprint magnet. Definitely want to see what that's like close. Let's see if you're able to set it up this way. Can't do that, but it fits in the palm of my hand, which is pretty dope. And if you guys don't know, for my daily life, I like to carry 2 phones. So one's always an iPhone and one's always an Android phone. So I do actually have the Pixel 7 Pro that I've been using for the last few months, and I've been switching between the Pixel 7 Pro and with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. But as you can see from here, this is going to be way better. I am waiting for some cases from Subcase, so I'd actually put this in the case and actually take it out. But really slim device, really cool, and I can't wait to actually close it on a phone call. This takes me back to the Motorola Razr days, which a lot of people have been talking about for the last 4 or 5 years that this phone has been developed, but it's really defined now, and I really think this is pretty cool. Especially, just look at that. This is so dope. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I will have more videos of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, more accessories and all that good stuff, and I will have an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, not the classic, but the regular 6. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. Man, this is wild.